Seija Improv worker. Today I have discussed about the helpless without electricity. Being a helpless without electricity can impact the various aspects of daily life, significantly affecting the individuals, families, and the communities. Let's look at the implications of losing access to electricity. First one is the basic need, uh, heating and cooling, in which the it's is extreme weather, lacks of electricity can lead to uncomfortable or even the dangerous living condition. Heating in winter and cooling in summer are vital for the health and well-being. Then the clean water access. Many water systems rely on electricity for pumping and purification. Without it, access to clean drinking water can be compromised. Then the food prevention, in which the refrigeration. Electricity is essential for keeping food fresh. Without it, the perishable items spoil quickly, leading to waste and the food insecurity. In the cooking, electric stoves and ovens are common in many households. Without electricity, cooking becomes challenging, often forcing relies on less nutritious options. Then the health and safety, medical equipment. Hospital and clinics depends on electricity to power vital medical equipment such as the ventilators and monitors. Power outage can the patient cares. Then the pharmaceutical storage. Many medications requires refrigeration. Without electricity, the effectiveness of this medication can be compromised. Then the communication information access. Electricity power communication devices, including the phones and computers. Without it, staying informed during the emergencies become difficult. Emergency services, lack of electricity can uh, hinder the ability to contact emergency services or receive alter about the natural disasters. Then the economic impact, business operation. Many business depends on electricity for daily operation. Power outage can lead to significant financial losses, can job insecurity. Then the productivity loss, work environments, especially those reliant on technologies, grind to a halt without electricity, affecting overall economic productivity. Then the education, in which the learning disturbance. Students rely on electricity for studying, especially with the growing emphasis on online learning. Outage can hinder access to educational resources and tools. Community resources, libraries and community centers often provide resources for learning and development that depends on electricity. Then the social distortion, isolation. Power outage can lead to isolation as people are cut off from communications and social networks. Increase the crime risks. Lacks of street lighting and the security systems can increase the risks of crime, creating an unsafe environment. Then the psychological effect, stress and anxiety, the uncertainty and the disruption caused by power outage can lead to the heightened stress and the anxiety level among the affected individuals and families. Then the loss of routine, daily routine including work, education, and family life can be several disturbed, leading to the frustration and the disorientation that depends on electricity in modern society is profound. Its absence can create a state of helplessness affecting health, safety, communication, and the economic stability. And alternative energy sources is the crucial for resilience against the power outage. Thank you.